we can operate this watch, this clock with AC voltage. We will see what is the circuit. So this is a circuit. This is a 12-0. I have taken 12-0-12 transformer. This is a primary and this is secondary. We connected a bridge rectifier here. Diode IN4007. After we will take output from bridge rectifier. We connected here one capacitor. This is a 470 microfarad. Here connecting one resistor. This is a 40 ohms resistor. We are taking here output. This is a 1.4 1.5 volts DC. Sorry, this is a 1.4 DC. This is a regulated DC power. This is a regulated 1.5 DC voltages. This is a circuit. एक सर्किट को मैं पीसी में बनाया था. This is my circuit on PCB. The transformer 12-0-12 and this is a bridge rectifier. This capacitors and 7850 IC. This is a capacitor 0.1 microfarad and this is a 40 ohm. 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm in series. This is a totally 40 ohm resistor. And this is the input of this circuit. See, and I taken this output from here. So now we will connect to the primary to AC voltage, and this output is connected to this 1.2 voltage is coming. This is I'm checking, and 1.2 is enough for this watch. Now we'll check the watch. See here, I am connected this terminal to the positive and negative, and now watch is running.